So this is a quadcopter. A quadcopter is a self-stabilizing flying object that has 4 propellers, and it stabilizes itself by taking readings from 2 gyros. The gyros are here exactly in the middle of the quadcopter. So if the quadcopter moves in a certain direction, then one of the 4 motors will compensate for that movement and stabilize the quadcopter back to its original position. So components of the system are the gyros, obviously. Then there is a microprocessor on board that takes the readings and does all the computations and then sends information to what's called an ESC, electronic speed control. We have 4 motors, so we also have 4 ESCs. The ESCs are hidden underneath. There's one, there's another one. At the same time, the processor also takes information from the receiver, and the receiver gets commands from the transmitter. The transmitter is here. So with the transmitter, we tell the quadcopter to go up, down, left, right, forward, backward, and also the yaw is sent over from the transmitter. So the radio is here, and all these signals go to the processor along with the information from the gyros. The processor does all the computations and steers the 4 ESCs, which in their way control the motors. And then we have a very big battery here at the bottom that provides power to all the 4 motors. So what we're going to do with this quadcopter is use it as a platform to do software testing that's later going to run on the Moonlander here. The Moonlander has 3 main motors, 1, 2, 3, and it has a steering motor in the middle. Obviously, when you write software, there's always a risk of bugs and artifacts. So it's very risky to test software on a final vehicle. So we're going to use this quadcopter to do software testing, make sure it's all correct and it's all working, and then later we port it over to the Moonlander.